Hello, friends. You're at my house. It's a Sunday. I'm taking the day off. I look like hell. Too bad. That's not what we're here about. I'm here about we're going to clean and put some ceramic spray coating on this door. Now, let me kind of show you the glass. You're probably going to see the dirtiness there. See that? I have a dog and I have water that blows in and gets this. But it gets really, really dirty. Now, as you can see, the inside can be just as rough. But I did clean it not long ago. Not that you can tell. And Bella does leave her little nose prints on there sometimes, but she's not big about hanging out at the door. So today we're going to clean this, and then we are going to ceramic spray coat that. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm just going to spray coat it instead of coating it. Well, let's talk about that. Okay, so I need to work those off, but I don't have the stuff here to do that, so we're going to skip that part. Ooh, some of it come off. You can feel the yuckiness. Now, you might see that she does jump up on the door once in a while. It is what it is. You have a dog, and she's just going to do some crazy things. Now, you can feel the gunk that I'm getting off of here. Definitely feel it. You get that clean out there, and you see the spots you missed. Oh, but darn. You can see the spots I missed outside too. I want this really good and clean. All right, we got her cleaned up. So a few spots that would not come off, but we got her cleaned up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use some ceramic spray coating on this. Now, the reason why is because this is going to be exposed to the elements. Now, yes, your ceramic coating is going to be exposed to elements as well, but this one, this is going to get dirtier more often. So I'm just going to use the spray instead of opening up a new coating just to do this, which is my biggest challenge, is I would have to open a new spray, and I don't want to do that. So we're going to use the Titan by Phoenix COD, and we're just going to put it on this glass and make sure we're getting a good protective coating on here. Maybe it'll help with the cleaning. Oh, that feels so good. Alrighty, it is on there. Let me tell you something. I used quite a bit, and there's no streaking. I did. I used quite a bit, and there's not one little bit of streaks. I like it. Stay for a minute because I'd like to introduce you to a newest member of my family. Anyway, it's looking really good. This is going to help me with cleaning. And that's really what I'm aiming for. Alrighty, guys. So, let me first put out there that I cleaned the window with DIY Detail. Crystal Clean. And this is for the glass. So, I did do that. And I finished it off with the Titan Phoenix EOD ceramic spray. I just wanted to see how well it was going to do. Now, I want to introduce you to a new member of my family. Would you like to say hello to everybody? Now, this is a different situation, but I will introduce you to Biddy. Biddy is short for itty bitty. Why do I say? Because she is itty bitty. She is a dwarf. She's a feral. And we've had a few of these dwarfs. Obviously, they're very inbred. And so we've had a few of these dwarfs in the neighborhood. And this one just loves people. Can you see yourself? Can you say hi? So we've got her on some medication. You can see she has shorter than normal legs, but this is Biddy. Hello, Biddy. Well, you see you're on camera. You're on camera. She's on medication. She's got a little bit of drainage in her eye, and she's got a little bit of sneezing, but she's gonna be just fine. And she's being treated for worms, but she's very lovable. All black except right there. Say hi. Oh, you see yourself. Do you see yourself? So this is Biddy. You'll probably see her on the channel a little bit. I'm not going to take her to many places, but she will be hanging out here at home. She's already adjusting very well. And the other kitty, Jazzy, they're not very good friends yet, but they'll get there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. Oh, did you want to say hi to yourself? And she's very obsessed with the ceiling fan. So thanks for hanging out on my channel again, like I said. Mwah. And until the next video, me and Biddy, we'll see you later. Peace.